Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's try the latest version of Freddy Fazbear from the Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this latest version of Freddy, and to begin we're going to draw in the top of his head first. So this is just going to be one kind of like a half circle. So we just freehand that as best as you can. Alright, so half circle, and then on the side right here, just come in with a little line. And then now we're going to draw in this shape right here. So right in the middle of this, you can make a little point. That's going to be this point here. Now I'm just going to curve it all the way around. Just go up and then follow the outside curve and just come down. You know, this part's a little bit tricky. It's kind of like drawing Mickey Mouse. Right, so once we have that, now we're going to come down right here. Right in the line right here, you can make a little point. Now we're going to draw in the snout. So just draw a curve going out and then just bracket in and then close off the bottom. So it's almost like a little, kind of like a pill shape. Okay, so once we have this, now we can draw in the eyes. So right in this space right here, just draw a little circle, kind of touching the snout area. And then for the eyes inside, that's a little bit creepy. And then for the eyelids, just one little curve on top. And let's see, it looks like it's got an eyebrow right here. So just draw one line and then just kind of give it a little bit of a thickness right here, make it a little bit sharper. It's almost like a little triangle. Alright, and let's see, before drawing the rest, let's go ahead and draw in the nose. Okay, so now we can draw in the rest of the face. So this part right here, we're going to bracket down here. Bracket, and then just come right into the snout area. So bracket. Okay, yeah, these curves are always a little bit tricky to draw. Alright, and then now we're going to come down here for the jawline. Draw two little lines like this, and this will be just one big curve. So just come all the way down and connect that. Alright, and then now to draw in the mouth right here, just come down, make a little point, just curve up. And this is going to be all black. So let me shade that in real quick so we can see this. Might as well shade in the nose as well. Alright, so now that we have this head shape, let's finish up the ear, and this part's a little bit easier. I mean, this is the hardest part, right? Right, so right here, right on the eyebrow, you can just draw in like a little box. And now we're going to extend this. And then now we'll draw in just another half circle for the ears. And then for the details inside, we can add in, just kind of follow the lines on the outside. Okay, and then the hat, very simple. One line like this, let's turn that into a rectangle. Okay, just go up, almost like a little box, and then one line right there. Alright, so finally that's the head, and now let's draw in the body. So right here, it's got really wide shoulder pads, but we're going to draw the inside right here first. Just come down. Now we're going to curve in for his waist, and then we'll close that off. Okay, so the body's gonna be a little bit easier. Let's draw in the hip, come down, and then just kind of come down toward the middle, maybe a little bit sharper on the bottom. All right, and let's see, before drawing the details, let's go ahead and draw in those cool little shoulder pads right here. So I'm just gonna flare out, curve back in. Yeah, those shoulder pads are cool looking. All right, and then now let's see the inside right here. Just curve down here. And then now for the little lightning right here. Start on this side, okay? Down, just kind of zigzag. Now I'm gonna go up from the tip, zigzag. All right, and let's see, let's draw in, let's go ahead and draw in the legs, and then we'll come back up and draw in the arms. So this part's pretty simple, his legs. So it's just kind of curve out. Now on the inside here, and we'll just close that off. And we can add in a little detail right here. Okay, so let's come down here. So we're gonna flare out. It's gonna be a lot bigger in the bottom. We just close that off. And then now for the foot, I'm gonna come down this side. Just kind of draw in like a little, like a little egg shape here. Okay, I know it's a little bit strange, but this will be one of his toes. Now on this side, curve, and then one more curve, and then just come back in and touch that. So we're trying to draw it kind of like an angle right here. You see a little bit of a perspective. Curve, curve. All right, so if this is a little bit strange, I mean, you can always just draw in like 3 egg shapes. That will work too. All right, so now let's draw in the arms. So again, here's the armpit. I'm just gonna come down, close that off. Now on the lower arm here, just a very long bracket. Close it off. And for the hands, let's just kind of have it this shape kind of flared out. So I'm just gonna come down here for the thumb. Here's the back of the hand. Now I'm just gonna go out, just kind of curve it out, round it, come back right into the thumb right there. And then for the other fingers, just one little bump like that. All right, so there's lots of different ways we can pose the hand. All right, so that's the thumb, back of the hand, flare out, curve, and then just come back right there. All right, so this one, I'm gonna draw in the finger on this side here. Okay, so we just kind of give it more of a different pose. And let's see, so that's pretty much it for the body, and now we can add in cool little details right here. Okay, for the spikes, one on each side, and then one more in the middle, so it's just gonna be a circle and a dot. And that is it for this new version of Freddy from Security Breach. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.